All right, what's up, guys? Today I have something really cool to show you, and it is about messenger bots. And if you're not doing it right now, probably the biggest opportunity in 2019, whether you are a really big business, because there's big ones not utilizing it right now, or even if you're a newbie, say you want to be a marketer and you want to have some sort of skill you can bring to people, this is one of the fastest ones you can learn that is extremely valuable right now. Like, legitimately, right now. So, that's what I want to be getting into. So, what is messenger marketing? How do you use it for pretty much any business? And then at the end, I'll kind of show you guys, if you do want to learn this kind of stuff, where you can go, a resource that will teach you everything you need to know, especially with starting messenger bot marketing, which is kind of the hot topic. And it will be pretty much essentially, eventually it'll get to the point where it's like email, where everybody's already doing it because everybody knows how well it works. Right now, it's still in that new cusp. Not everybody's doing it, which is also why it's working so well right now. Eventually, it will still always work well, just like email always will be like an evergreen thing, but it won't be as hot as it is right now. It's pretty much like email on steroids. So, starting into it, what is it? Well, messenger marketing, I'm going to pull it up right here. It is, you can see that app in the middle, Messenger. So essentially, it's sending messages through Facebook Messenger. What's cool about Facebook Messenger instead of text is the customization and the data collection. So with this, you can have it to where it's fun, it's engaging. You can literally make it to where it plays games, it sends pictures. This was a birthday bot that I made. It's working actually really well, which I'll show you with the ads manager. But essentially, I'll actually show you right here. You can do a lot more, and it's a lot easier with Messenger. It's a lot more engaging than you can with email right now. The open rate, incredibly high. I haven't got a message under 70%. The click-through rate, really, really high. The engagement, really, really high. People actually read it. They get push notifications for it. More than that, the data collection, everything you do on Messenger can be used as a later date. So let's say for a restaurant, somebody opts into a hamburger and you notice that they really like your hamburger coupons. This is just an example. That data is collected, and then you don't send them things that they don't like. So if their favorite ice cream is mocha chip, and you send them just, let's say you had an ice cream special. Most of the time you send out an email blast that nobody would really check at the right time, so you wouldn't drive any new people in that day. But it would say, hey, we got ice cream for sale. But it would be a lot better for that person if you had 30% off all ice cream and you said, hey, your favorite mocha chip is 30% off today. That to that person is specialized, it's customized. They're going to probably go with it. Plus, since it's a message, they open it right away. And so when they see that and it's late at night and they're like, man, I could really use some ice cream. Oh, wait, it's only good for tonight. I better get my butt down there. It's very, very, very engaging, very urgency-wise. It creates a lot. And right now they're working really, really well. When it comes to how we're getting people on the bot, there's a lot of ways. The easiest way is Facebook ads. Some sort of offer, some sort of incentive to get somebody to opt in. Right now, all this is explaining it. I can't go into details how to build it and stuff, but I'll give you that resource at the end, like I said. So this for one person running right now. We've only been running it for about a week, and we haven't spent very much at all, but the results are already pretty darn good. 40 messages. It's costing us about 56 cents to get somebody on the bot. Now, once somebody's on the bot, you got to remember, it's just like email. We can continue to message them about new offers, new things we have to drive them into the store, to drive them to our site, or to drive them wherever we want them. Just like email, you can, except for, again, on steroids. I do it on lifetime budgets just because that actually optimizes better in Facebook that way. Cost per click, about 17 cents. Now, CTR across all, so whether they're seeing the ad or clicking through, is about 9% now. If you've done any Facebook advertising, you know that's crazy high. Like, especially for a cold audience. This is a cold audience. None of these are warm. And so having this type of click-through rate is incredibly high. Anything else you guys need to see in there? No, not really. How to use this for your business? Well, the first step is actually starting. So like I said at the end, I'm going to give you guys a resource. But you can use this. I'm trying to think of a business you can't use this for. If you're a restaurant, that's the industry that this has been booming in right now. And that's the one that people kind of know about. But let's say a hair salon. How could a hair salon use this? I've never thought of this before. Hair salon, well, generally they're trying to grow their social. So anything that grows your social will also help grow your business. whether that's you have a salon or you're just a single person. And so having messages about specials, or maybe you need a bunch of new bookings and you know that you're organic. If you're posting in Facebook and Instagram, there's only a certain percentage amount of people that are going to actually see that. But with this, you can pretty much guarantee everybody's going to see it because it's going to send a push notification. It's going to do all of that. It's going to make it to where they kind of have to view it. And you can make it fun. So with this, you could literally play like a deal or no deal. I've done that before, where it's a deal or no deal game on there to win some sort of coupon or to win some sort of thing. Based on what they choose, they get different results. That's actually a fun one. What's another business? I'm trying to think of a really out there one that I wouldn't be able to do so easily. Let's try a repair business. How could a repair, let's say an appliance repair, maybe this doesn't work for every business. I'm trying to think how appliance repair could use this, just because that is so out there. That's mainly something you would want to do Google for. Appliance repair. How could you use Messenger? Well, you could do a retargeting campaign off people that you know have been searching for appliance repair to send you a message about what they need repaired. And it can actually, because you can program the bot to have certain responses to certain answers. And what's cool about a bot too is email is just one generic message. They click through, they go to a page, or they click this, they go to a different page. This is interactive. So if they click this, it sends them then a different message than if they were to click this. If they said, yes, they love peanut butter ice cream, it sends them a different message than if they said no. And it tracks that information, which is, again, data is the most valuable commodity in marketing that's going to come. Like if you're not collecting data, you're going to be losing. You're going to be behind, especially in the coming years. So any way you can collect data is going to be huge. So yeah, you could use it that way as an appliance repair. I don't know if it'd be extremely, actually it would work pretty well as long as it's a retargeting campaign. You could go to a cold audience, but you'd really have to know the audience of who's looking for repair. That's why Google would be the first spot on that, and just retargeting those people that landed on a landing page and didn't opt in. And then what's the resource I want to give you guys? So if you do want to go out and learn this stuff, I know I briefly talked about it, but there is a resource. What you're going to go is to Google, and you're going to go manychat. There should be one that is this. It's going to ask you to log in. You'll make a login. But there's actually a course that it is free. Messenger Marketing Chatbot Mastery. Actually, I think you just go to Google too. Let's go manychat course. There'll probably be some ads that pop up. Hey, maybe. And this probably is it. Right there. Yep, this is it. Free video course. You just register for that, and you can start learning this, and you can start going out to businesses. If you don't already have a business, you can start going out and help build this for people. Really great for restaurants. Easy to get in the door with restaurants because it works so well. Some results that I've had with the restaurants, and I'm not going to get into the advanced tactics of how you track all this, but generally out of the people that opt in, we were able to drive 20% of those people into the store that same month. So we got 300 people on the bot. We got 20%, and that was for a very cheap ad spend. That was for like $100 in ad spend, which is so cheap, so cheap. So $100 on ad spend. We got 300 people. 300, what is times 0.2? We got 60 brand new customers into that store off of $100 in ad spend. 60 new people that have never heard of them off of $100 in ad spend, and that got them into the store. They got upsells. They had their opportunity to meet the owner, that kind of stuff. It was just, and a lot of them became, repeat customers because of that. That's really what a lot of it is. If you have a good restaurant, you have a good product, you have a good service, then getting the repeat customers, that's another thing this is really good for, and giving them relevant content. Because here's the thing. I like marketing. I'm going to respond to marketing messages that are good. I'm not going to respond to hairstylist messaging me. It's not relevant to me. So bot allows you to be incredibly relevant to what people like. So if you know everything about me, then it's a lot easier to get my attention, especially if you're going to send me a message. It's a lot easier to get me to buy something too. So that's that. Legitimately, if you're not doing this year, you will regret it the next and the next and the next. So go check out that course. I don't get anything for it. It's not like I have an affiliate link. Just go check it out. It's going to help you a lot in your business, or if you're trying to become a marketer or something like that. This is an easy skill to just start going and growing. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Trust me when I say you'll see this everywhere in the next 1, 2, 3, 4 years. And yeah, like I said, it's email on steroids. So have a good night, guys. It is Saturday. Yeah. Okay. I love ending these things. No, I'm always kind of weird at it.